You can build a joint. You can build a whole fucking Hobbit village down there.
Yeah, whole Hobbit village. What are those though?
Fire, and a little smoke comes out. Like, some construction. I don't know.
We're downtown though. Wonder what they're doing. This has been like this for like a while.
So what do you want to do?
Pigeons. I didn't know they could do construction. I know what you mean. 17-minute wait is still a hell of a long wait.
I'm just laughing. You see CJ up there? I know it's
Yeah.
But I'm sure you remember Corey Jones, right? Corey Jones, the white boy from Arizona, and so weird how he feels.
I'm sure I'd recognize him. I know the name.
He's about my age. Dude would just, they all those guys, him and Donnie, and I'm sure you remember El Presidente, right? These guys, all they did was fucking just slam players, right? And Corey had this thing, he'd sit on the bench, charge the deal, and he'd like, I'll let you shoot my face. What's your deal? A lot of spin action.
Yeah, a lot of spin action, but I kind of slipped on the way down, so.
Oh, you're fast.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's oftentimes I know those groups.
Yeah.
You know, so tokens. And on the bench, they get the whole 1.5.
Yeah.
And they just fucking take another shot. You guys realize it takes a little bit of time to get the you want little brothers, that's cool.
Yeah.
But by the time you've done that, you've taken a 15 shot.
Yeah.
And then you guys are all fucking passed out where you're watching baseball game on the big screen, and I'm the only one, like, I would have one photo.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this is fucking boring. I was here to have a good time, and the same fucking story every day.
Yeah.
But he had this thing, like, he'd be on the bench, and he'd be fine.
Yeah.
He got out, he had fucking straight out the fucking company.
Yeah.
And then I was back and forth in there, and when I see him, like, fucking just baseball.
Yeah.
And I'm like, Corey, again, it was just last week, 600 wheels.
Yeah.
And Al apparently, his days on like the 400 rounds.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But apparently now he's in a walker.
Yeah?
He's dying. He's dying from booze.
Yeah.
That was good. That was a good one.
Good one, but not.
Just a little off the mark. I don't know if you ever met the guy with the Sunny shirt. His name was Grant.
What was his name?
Grant.
I've met him.
White way up our age. And we're at the graphic, look at this one. He was like up in Florida, house up there. Wouldn't that be at the point you like you guys if you're that fucked up and passed out and the gator's dragging in the fucking canal? Yeah. You should probably think this way. Yeah. But it's not really proud of. You survive. Come on, guys.
Surviving would be something to be proud of, but getting to that point, it's something I'd do better to say.
That's not really like, you know, when I was like the companies.
I don't know if you can see it. It is kind of filled up. It's right here, going all the way up my leg. Road rash. From when I got run over. And it literally goes from like right here. I've always had that. It feels like that. I don't know why. Yeah, other leg looks like this.
They're like this.
Yeah.
So look at my leg. I don't shave.
Yeah. I don't either.
But the thing is, last I go, my dad used the same thing. So one time I had hairy legs, but right here, the fucking shin pad was all bad.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's not the tree that go do that. I was in soccer and
Yeah, it finally, after a while, it was a bit of wearing it off. Yeah. It's like, all right, fuck it, not gonna stop. That's what Bill was like, literally, like, no, like, but, you know, as you get older, apparently, you lose weight. The thing is, it all gravitates. Except for my little, like, look at my chest. My stomach is more hairy.
I've seen beforehand when doing stuff that I'm not sure I got.
But it's like it gravitated. So I lose it here. Like, I'm the only one like that. Like, not only my body's hairy, I have no hair like that. I have no hair on my legs anymore. That's like, it fucking moves around. I'm like, what is it fucking, oh my god, I don't know what's wrong with that. I know that.
Yeah, I get it like right here. Sometimes I'll get it like right here.
What about the eyebrows?
Every once in a while I get like one.
One of those little
Yeah.
fuckers. I'm like, what is the fucking ears? Is okay, let's start growing hair in the ears. Let's take one eyebrow and like sometimes I'll make patches up there. Sometimes they're black, sometimes they're white on the ears. And like I will notice it's like pupils and like these are like like I don't know what is my fucking DNA signature? Like, okay, hey, it's time to grow hair in other parts of your body.
Yeah.
I mean, I shave my balls. It's still hairy on there.
Yeah.
No, actually, I don't. I do shave my balls, but I mean, I just.
I've heard sometimes that happens.
Like halfway up, right?
Yeah.
And so, like, you know, hopefully, someday, I don't know if I can get a job, but like, you know, you always got like, you know, hairy dick. You know, I'll shave that and trim it up. And,
Yeah.
I do it for good reasons.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, just like, you know, I mean, how does your fucking DNA just say, okay, we're doing it, we're changing things up now, we're
Yeah.
gonna do this? I mean, there seems no logical purpose for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you got one.
One.
Like, you're doing really good.
Oh yeah.
This is like my reparations. It's not just
I'm doing a hell of a lot better this game than I did on my first game.
No, the first game you had 2 fucking strikes right off the fucking top.
Something. 8. That's 7.
I don't suck.
Nope. Got her.
I was just one fucking pin off.
Yeah.
So that was about 7.
7, yeah.
Why don't we get 7? Yes, it must have been behind there.
Yeah.
So let's say I pick up the spare, right? That's 10.
Yep.
But
And then it counts the next.
oh, it does. You double up on that.
So with a spare, it counts the next roll. With a strike, it counts the next 2 rolls.
Okay.
So if you get a strike, you have the potential of getting 30 for that one frame.
Okay. Well, that was the next one.
Yeah, it's whatever the next 2 rolls are.
Okay.
Whether it's 2 strikes or...
Because one strike is only 10 points, right?
Yep, 1 strike is a base of 10.
Okay. But if I get a strike the next one, 30 for the 2 frames.
So if you get 2 strikes and then 6, it would be 26 for that first frame. If you get like a strike, a 6, and a spare, that first frame would be 20 because the spare is 10.
I need to do that.
I don't think I've ever gotten a turkey.
I have. That's 3 strikes.
3 strikes, yep.
You got a little extra on the side here. You got a little side action.
Yeah.
Now you're going small balls.
Yeah.
Big in it. Oh, you got 2. You got a little bonus action.
For right now, I'm beating you by 1, but it's anyone's game.
Plus, I can't see it right now. The thing is, these only help short term. The sucky thing is, like, I even put my phone close up. I wear those because there's like 2.5, 2.75 magnum. Come on.
I think the tag on it said 2.5.
Yeah, but I mean, if I wear them outside, I can't see shit.
Yeah.
I fucking run to the trees or something. All right, come on.
There goes my girl. That's one of the ultimate takes.
1 pin off. Bless you.
Wanted to figure out a way to
Which is even that?
They really did. These whole thing, that's a really
I mean, the first week of this stuff, I couldn't laugh, I couldn't sneeze, I couldn't cough, any of that was just shoot my thing up to like a 7.
his voice. That's tough.
Even on oxycodone.
Oh, yeah.
Even on that shit. It was only 5 minutes.
But at the time of the wondering, it was going around and set ready to go. And he was, so, we give him credit for that. How do we just do it?
Oh, that's pretty damn close. Is that the big ball? There it is. You use the big dog on that one?
Yep.
Look at you, you're like, oh, you have to use I wish I could, I'm not gonna use that ball. I wish I could. I get fucking strikes. I'm be a responsible little boy. Dude, just look in my holes. Okay, does that just look that's gross? I mean, you know, yeah, I don't really care. Dude, my immune system is so fucking strong.
I don't think I've really gotten sick. I think the only time I've ever really gotten sick is when I had the flu shot. Not a strike, we got some.
I guess I'll work on my skill.
Yeah.
Well, like me, I've got 2 shots, but I don't even want to take them. Because, I mean, but I was telling my doctor too, she encouraged me after to get the COVID vaccine. I'm like, okay, what about this? I'm like, I've read that they don't know if you take it, you're immune. They don't know that. Okay, then they don't know if you're still contagious. They don't know that.
They said that you're not contagious, but you're not completely immune.
And I said what I read also was you're not immune, it just minimizes the symptoms.
Right.
That's the theory, they don't know that yet.
Yeah.
And then the other one, with most of the Pfizer and the other one,
Yeah.
not the J&J, but I'm like, okay, so that messenger RNA, does that make you more susceptible to something else than the other? They don't know that either. I'm like, so you want to shove this shit in me, and they have no fucking clue? I mean, Fauci's highest paid federal employee makes $420,000. He's not elected, he's appointed.
Yeah.
And you hear him, they exchange a story of masks, no masks, 1 mask, 2 masks, you know, they ask him questions, they try to hold him and get these pathetic attitude.
Yeah.
He can't give a fucking yes or no answer. Because they're just fucking guessing. Yeah. And I'm like, you know, but Sheehan, where's the Sheehan? I'm like, but here's me being a little hypocrite, right?
Yeah.
I don't stick that in my body, but yet I'm sticking chewing tobacco, nicotine, whatever else they put in my little can. So I know that's a little hypocritical, but I mean, you know, that's fucking with my DNA. This, I know what this stuff is. I know it's bad for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, they don't know. I'm like, then why do you recommend it? Well, you know, just in case. I'm like, well, fucking just in case. God gave me a pretty damn good immune system. Just like you don't get very sick.
Yeah.
You know, and like I thought this is not actually not a vaccine. I don't know if you know much about it, but the most of the shots are. It basically puts it's a kind of a protein, and it tells your body to make these proteins, so when it sees COVID, it can know what to do with it.
Yeah.
But it's not like other vaccines, like malaria, the flu shot.
99% of the vaccines out there have a little bit of the.
And I say with the flu shot, it's deactivated, and I thought it was just deactivated flu with some egg protein. No, there's aluminum, formaldehyde, all this other crazy shit. Like, well, it's just trace amounts. I'm like, yeah, but you tell me I have to eat mercury and aluminum and formaldehyde, but you want me to take a shot with it? So, oh, by the way, they're actually doing good. People make them. Yeah, so I'm like, I don't know. I mean,
when I went to get my drink, I saw the bar was open, so.
And you know, the thing is, I've talked to people who have gotten COVID.
Yeah.
Like, some of them was like, it was like actually getting the flu was worse. Yeah. Some people were kind of knocked out. It all depends on.
Nope. You'll get the back pin.
That's like, you know, we'll see in there. Oh, sorry, my bad. So we asked the question. What does eating pussy and the mob have in common? One's the slip of the tongue and the other shit. I mean, like,
Strike.
so he's not right. We know we're in St. Louis Park, you know. I think everyone in the bar, that's all right.
Nice. Yeah, the nickname for St. Louis Park.
St. Louis Park. Yeah. And it's fucking true. That's why I'm glad to be here. You know, I mean, in like uptown is totally changed. It used to be pretty high class, and this is not about race, but it is. It's way more ghetto, a lot more blacks.
I've noticed.
And maybe the things got a little more pressure there, so they moved to uptown. They kind of overtook uptown. Yeah. And then that's why a lot of businesses left.
And I've noticed back when Famous Days used to be in that big building on Lake in Calhoun, and then they wound up moving a little further down Lake. Or Glendale or whatever it is. Before, I went here once like 10, 15 years ago back when I was on in that big building. Yeah. And I barely saw any black people. It was all rich business people.
And like, I used to love to go to Williams, no Williams, because I go to restaurant.
Yeah.
I love going playing pool. You know, it used to be, they changed the price, it's a lot, but I mean, you know, I didn't like to go to night. Yeah. I think it's now I'm down there, and I play pool like straight up fucking bloods and gangsters. You know, I see a lot of good shit. And they're like, you're fucking cool as shit. You're cool for a fucking high goal. It doesn't matter what fucking time it's good. It's weird fun. But then people often go to the southern place. Yeah. I told the owners, like, you know, I'd come down here as a big patron. Yeah. I don't want to come down here unless you clean us up. He's like, we're working on it. Yeah. We've had undercovers come here and clean up the drugs. And like, you're going to chase away all the people that are going to come by and spend good money on booze,
Yeah.
and food, and pool. And you know, yes, and he's like, I know, we gotta make money. I'm like, yeah, but the thing is, you're gonna make more money off of the good people.
Yeah.
And I don't care what color they are, but you let that shit go in your place, no one's gonna come here anymore. All you're gonna have is the rest house.
Yeah.
But, you know, and then I fucked up the first time. So, I'm not gonna do it. So, you know, everything was closed down. That was like last summer. And by the way, just so you know, this is not Powerade, but it is very watered down.
It's Powerade.
So I'm like, you know what? I called them. I'm like, you guys are open? They're like, yeah, we're open. I'm like, cool. So I go there, shoot some pool.
Yeah.
And I figured, you know, obviously where I catch the bus my place.
Yeah.
And I get right off at Uptown, and then go catch the little bus at Uptown.
Yeah.
And come home. I'm like, okay, this is when all the shit was going on last summer with the riots.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, this is totally cool. So then I finish, and I don't know, like 10 o'clock or something. And I'm sitting at the Uptown station, and I'm watching my phone, you know, with the little
GPS thing on the
yeah,
bus.
the metro.org, right? And I like, hey, I missed that bus. Okay, where's the next one? I missed the next one. Finally, somebody drives by in like a Metro Transit pickup truck.
Yeah.
He's like, what are you waiting for? I'm like, the 17th? He's like, they don't stop here after 9 o'clock on the weekends. And I'm like, I would have been here all fucking night. He's like, you gotta go around, like, you know where Lunds Barley's is?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You gotta, that's where you have to get. So, you know, the thing is, that's fine. I mean, you go over there, it's not sketchy. But, I mean, you know what I was there for like almost an hour.
Yeah.
Waiting for fucking buses, getting pissed. I'm like, and I don't know how much you got left, but I got a few tickets.
Yeah. I got about half a 10, so.
But I want to give you a hand before I go back to that subject. So you put it down here. Right?
Yeah.
You see where I put mine?
Top lip.
I don't spit. I don't swallow. I don't spit.
I don't either.
Oh, you don't even down here?
No.
I don't. Okay. Well, yeah. I mean, but here.
Well,
dude,
for the most part, I don't.
I do. I fall asleep like in the morning, like, oh, I put a new one in, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, up here, and that's where I got look at that.
Yeah.
My gums,
I get that.
My gums are so receded right now. But I've been doing it since I've been 17. And I'm gonna be 49 in the fall. So, but yeah, I mean, yeah, put it up there, upstairs. But when I put it, even today, if I put it down here, I'm like,
yeah.
but yeah. So I'm just fucking waiting there for a fucking hour. But you know, then after a couple times I went down there, and there's just riffraff and drugs, and I'm like, you know, fuck this shit. I love playing pool. And you know, occasionally I might go down there, but it's just like they ruined it. I'm like, you gotta clean their shit up.
Mm-hmm.
And like, you know, and the weird thing too is like, well, there's two stories in this one. So, you know, Bar Louie, So I used to run a kitchen there. And on the weekends we'd have 2 Minneapolis PDs,
Yeah.
moonlighting. You know what their rate is for moonlighting? $50 an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And before I joined them 3 months.
We gotta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But they don't let you talk here anymore?
Yeah.
Just call me the fucking scare bitch.
Yeah.
But you like I got the little slide, little knee, and
Yeah.
I'm getting better. I forgot about all this. Very little leg slides. Always have
Yeah. And like how I've got the camera set up.
So 3 months, 3 months before I started there,
Yeah.
this place was like fucking Fight Club, and they changed the dress code, and it was like, and people were a little racist. It was no baseball hats, no explosive jewelry, no athletic shoes, no just plain white tees. V-necks were okay because it's all hood shit, right? And it shut down the violence quite a bit. There was still a lot, and they had what they call floor staff. The bouncers, and they would get in fights every fucking night.
Oh, I'm sure.
And they like to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. 38-29, now you're winning. So I fucked up. Oh, because you got two fucking. Oh, here's your. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Let's go for the turkey.
Come on, get your turkey. Get your turkey action on. That was a sidearm action. Still didn't get a lot of points for that though.
Yeah. Tell right when I let go.
You know, but like, I mean, Uptown used to be, and like I mean, even on that one block, like,
Yeah.
you know, the corner started from the corner. You had Victoria's Secrets, you had North Face, you had Columbia, you had Apple Store. They're all gone.
Yeah.
Just done. And like, all, you know, Chino's done. And all the good restaurants are done. I mean,
Yeah.
on the summertime, it looked like an exotic car show. You had fucking Ferraris and Lamborghinis, and now, and the thing is, people that come to Uptown for gourmet, expensive meals.
Yeah.
They want a burger and a beer, happy hour, and get drunk.
Yeah.
Even they're driving a fucking $200,000 sports car.
Yeah.
But all that shit just got ran out.
Yeah.
I mean, almost half the stores in Calhoun, that mall,
Yeah.
they're like for lease. No one's in there anymore.
Yeah.
You got like even like the sushi place.
Yeah.
They're gone. All the high-end retail stuff.
One pin.
I can't win for losing.
Yeah.
No, this is not going to be easy. This one I'm going to go first.
Should I stay or should I go? Yeah.
Plus, my brothers are 6 and 10 years older than me, so I grew up with punk rock music.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you a little secret. It's not really a secret, but when you're done rolling. There was some good spin action, though. So, like, when I was in junior high, like, I'm listening to, like, Black Flag, Sex Pistols, Clash, and, I go to, like, junior high,
Yeah.
I fucking eyeliner, combat boots, a total fucking punk rock kid.
Yeah.
See if you can pick up all your extra shit. Well, this helps me out.
Time to switch back over to the small ball.
Oh, that was your big nuts?
Yep.
Is it wearing you out a little bit though? I mean, that's a lot of.
Yeah, it's wearing me out a little bit.
That's a lot of balls.
I should be used to throwing my balls around, but nope.
Coming back to the grandpa in Chicago. During playing, the Foo Fighters are playing, and many others, right? And it's full capacity with some.
Maybe. I saw it turn right at the end.
Fucking happening.
Yeah.
I was doing pretty good. I hit one pin or something.
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Is there anything you want to say or do or anything for the video? Have a nice day. That's pretty much what I was going to say.
which is why I was gonna, when I do edit it in the morning, I'm gonna run everything by you just to make sure. And I do have some extra footage. I'm gonna end the video, and you can always say so. Like I'll always run it by you to make sure. Hey, I'm basically gonna say, hey, I'm gonna start recording. Do you want to be a part of it? And if you say yes, then if you say yes, then you say yes. If you say no, then I'm not gonna put you in.